To create a test tutorial. Today I'm going to talk you quickly through how to upload pupils using the new pupil upload function. So as some of you will know, that this function used to exist, and we have had requests in the last 2-3 weeks with the new update of the system to bring back this feature. So I've spent quite a bit of time trying to get this feature back up on the system for you all to use. So let's talk through how it works. Well, first of all, you need to have teachers and groups created in your system. So pupils are allocated to a group. That could be a class group, a year group, a gifted and talented group. You know, a lot of you use classes as your groups, but not all. And you need to have teachers. So a pupil can be allocated to more than one group and also more than one teacher. But you need at least one teacher for that pupil, really. So the teacher bit used to be hidden behind the options. It is in the manager bit of the site, but let's click on that quickly. So you can see I've added a teacher here. If you click on teacher and you have to log in, so let's actually show that. So if you click on teacher and you're asked to log in again, these details you have to enter are the manager account details. Let's have a look. And the reason for that is, there's certain features of the site, like adding new teachers, the standardized paper setups, the login details that we only want, and most schools only want one teacher to be editing. So there's a teacher, John, and you can add more teachers. I've created a group. I've put in my year 9 set 1s. Currently no pupils in this group though, but I have written in the group name and added the year group. So now I want to add pupils. So you can see I've got my teacher, I've got my group, and I want my first pupil to be part of this group. So my first pupil is a bright mathematician. And I can just write this in, and this existed a couple of weeks ago, and there he is. My pupil's been added to my group and my teacher. So I can edit these details. If I want to add the next pupil, it has kept these selected, so it will put them in the same teacher, the same group, the same year. So it's reasonably fast. But if you've got hundreds of pupils to do, you need a faster way to do this. So we've created this import pupil function. So first of all, the best thing to do is download the demo, download the template, and this template, I'll just show you it. Gives you the kind of fields you need to enter for the system to import the pupils. So you need the first name and last name of the pupils. Luckily I've got these in an Excel somewhere else, like you will have. So let's copy them over. So I've got the first name, surname. I need the year. This can be the year they started in year 7, or it can just be the year group. So these are year 9. And then you need the group and teacher ID. So just going back to the site a second. Each teacher has an ID. So John is the first teacher created. Each group has an ID. My year 9 set 1 group has an ID of 1 as well. So going back to Excel, I can enter these details, and obviously these are all in the same class, so I've copied these down. Now I need to save this somewhere just so I can upload it, so just pick a location on your computer, maybe your desktop. It's only a temporary save. And now I've entered all them details. I've got my pupils allocated to group 1, to teacher 1. Let me find that Excel quickly. So here it is, and upload them pupils. So as you can see, my 5 pupils have been allocated very quickly using the pupil upload feature. Thank you for watching the demo. If you have any questions, please do send us an email. That is the pupil upload function.